Are you ready to embark on a journey that goes beyond the typical retirement travel destinations? In this video, we will explore 5 unforgettable retirement adventures in unexpected places that promise to ignite your sense of wanderlust and curiosity. These unique experiences are perfect for those looking to break away from the ordinary and dive into the extraordinary. From remote islands to charming small towns, each destination promises a blend of excitement and tranquility, perfect for those looking to make the most of their retirement. Whether you're an avid adventurer or someone seeking a peaceful retreat, these locations will inspire you to pack your bags and hit the road. So, if you're ready to discover some truly unique retirement adventures that will leave lasting memories, stay tuned as we dive into our top 5 picks. You might just find your next dream destination waiting for you in the most unexpected places. Number 5. Stargazing in the dark sky reserve of Aoraki McKenzie, New Zealand. Renowned for its pristine night skies, Aoraki McKenzie is a stargazer's paradise, where the Milky Way stretches across the horizon like a shimmering river of stars. This dark sky reserve is one of the best places in the world to witness celestial wonders, thanks to its high altitude and minimal light pollution. Visitors can marvel at constellations, planets, and even the southern lights, all while surrounded by breathtaking landscapes of mountains and lakes. What sets this experience apart is the opportunity to join guided stargazing tours led by knowledgeable astronomers, who share fascinating stories and insights about the cosmos. While it ranks at number 5 due to its reliance on weather conditions for optimal viewing, the sheer beauty and tranquility of the night sky here are truly captivating. As we ascend the list, the next adventure will combine the magic of the stars with a more immersive cultural experience, elevating the journey to a whole new level of wonder. Number 4. Art and Nature Retreat in the Azores, Portugal. Nestled in the heart of the stunning Azores archipelago, this retreat offers a harmonious blend of artistic inspiration and breathtaking natural beauty. Surrounded by lush greenery, volcanic landscapes, and the mesmerizing Atlantic Ocean, participants can immerse themselves in creative workshops led by local artists. The retreat emphasizes sustainability and mindfulness, encouraging guests to connect with nature while exploring various art forms, from painting to pottery. What sets this retreat apart is its unique location. The Azores are often overlooked, making it a tranquil escape from the bustling tourist hotspots. While it ranks at number 4, it serves as a serene sanctuary for those seeking both relaxation and creativity. In contrast to the higher-ranked experiences that may offer more adrenaline-pumping activities, this retreat focuses on introspection and artistic expression, allowing guests to recharge their spirits. As we ascend the list, you'll discover experiences that not only nurture the soul but also ignite a sense of adventure, making them truly unforgettable. Number 3. Wildlife Safari in the lesser-known parks of Madagascar. Embarking on a wildlife safari in Madagascar's lesser-known parks is an extraordinary adventure that immerses you in one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet. Unlike the crowded national parks, these hidden gems offer a more intimate experience with nature, where you can encounter unique species such as the elusive fossa, vibrant chameleons, and various lemur species that are found nowhere else on Earth. The lush rainforests, arid spiny forests, and stunning coastal landscapes provide a backdrop that is as diverse as the wildlife itself. This safari ranks at number 3 due to its unparalleled opportunity for wildlife enthusiasts to witness rare animals in their natural habitats, away from the typical tourist trails. While it offers thrilling encounters with nature, it contrasts with the higher-ranked experiences that may incorporate cultural interactions or more immersive adventures. As we move up the list, you'll discover experiences that not only highlight Madagascar's incredible wildlife, but also weave in the rich cultural tapestry of this enchanting island, making them truly unforgettable. Number 2. Cultural immersion in the villages of Bhutan. This experience offers a profound connection to one of the world's most unique and preserved cultures. Nestled in the majestic Himalayas, Bhutan is renowned for its commitment to gross national happiness, and this philosophy is palpable in its vibrant traditions and warm hospitality. Visitors can engage with local artisans, participate in traditional festivals, and savor authentic Bhutanese cuisine, all while surrounded by breathtaking landscapes of terraced fields and ancient monasteries. This experience ranks at number 2 due to its deep cultural significance and the opportunity to witness daily life in a country that prioritizes sustainability and spirituality. Unlike the top-ranked experience, which may focus on adventure and exploration, this immersion emphasizes understanding and appreciation of Bhutanese values and customs. As we approach the pinnacle of our list, you'll discover an experience that not only enriches your understanding of a culture, but also challenges you to reflect on your own values, making it an unforgettable journey of self-discovery and connection. Number 1. Exploring the ancient ruins of Tikal, Guatemala. This adventure is an awe-inspiring journey into the heart of the Mayan civilization, making it our top-ranked adventure. This UNESCO World Heritage Site boasts towering pyramids, intricate temples, and sprawling plazas, all set against a backdrop of lush rainforest teeming with wildlife. As you wander through the remnants of this once thriving city, the echoes of history come alive, allowing you to connect with the ingenuity and artistry of the Mayans. The sheer scale of Tikal is breathtaking, with Temple 1 and Temple 2 rising majestically above the treetops, offering panoramic views that are nothing short of magical. What sets Tikal apart is not only its archaeological significance but also the immersive experience of being surrounded by nature, where howler monkeys and exotic birds create a symphony of sounds. While the previous experiences focused on cultural immersion and wildlife, Tikal combines both elements, offering a profound understanding of ancient history within a vibrant ecosystem. This unique blend of adventure, education, and natural beauty makes exploring Tikal an unforgettable experience that resonates long after you leave its sacred grounds. These adventures not only promise excitement and discovery, but also invite you to step outside your comfort zone and embrace the world in all its diversity. We encourage you to explore more about these unique experiences and consider them for your next retirement journey. Remember, the world is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered, so go out there and create your own unforgettable memories.